Hello, everybody. Welcome back to your What is Bitcoin Doing market. So Bitcoin dropped yesterday. Let's take a look at the charts. Bitcoin dropped yesterday, ending up in a pretty good bottoming candle. Nothing super fantastic though. Our big candle, our big volume candle, came in a weird spot. This one, and then it dropped further. Usually, most of the time, I don't know the percentage, but most of the time you'll get the big volume candle on the actual bottom candle. That usually implies that people are being shaken out and there are people buying those coins, but not in this case. It's actually a little bit unique. It drops under fairly substantially the high volume candle, still with high volume candles, and then you have this green candle that has a wick on it, closes up right at the top, and we do get some nice accumulation from there. But we're not fully out of the woodwork. My volume aggregation tool here still shows a lot of selling pressure in the market, and in fact, the buyers barely took over during this candle. So not a lot going on. We also didn't test these lows, not really. So we could still try to get back down there, which also leads to the fact that why this may not look as good as it could look for a bottom. So from that perspective, I still think it's tricky, and I still think patience is due. And oh, look, 200-day moving average right there. So yeah, from that perspective, there's still not much to do. I still don't think you want to be getting in heavy here. Still, caution is warranted. But that being said, anything can happen. We can try to move up, we can stabilize out, and then go higher. And that's what you're looking for. So you can see over here my analysis, my trend line here at the 64,263 worked for that rally. We could be due for something like that over here. We'll have to wait and see what this day brings for this consolidation. If we can't move any higher, that's not good, and we'll probably go back down and test these lows. It's not too far behind. One more leg down hopefully should do it. If we undercut it and come back like an undercut and rally candle, then that would be good. Um, if we double bottom, that would be okay. So we just kind of have to wait and see what we get with it, because there's not a lot of edge, I don't think, in this market right now, other than the fact that we're lower. We still could go lower, which doesn't make for great trading. So I think there's still we still need to see more from these charts in terms of reversals, because we don't have an amazing reversal. This has symptoms of a reversal, but it's not for sure a reversal. All right, next up, our hot coins of the day, FET. FET's been actually putting in pretty decent volume signatures up here, and then a couple days consolidation, and then boom, look at yesterday with a pretty nice pocket pivot. Pocket pivot is where your volume is higher than any of the red volumes in the prior 10 days, and this meets that criteria. And it looks like we got a very lopsided cup and handle here. We'll see if it works out. 1719 could be a buy point on this name. It is behaving better than a lot of other alts, actually. And if you're lucky, you'll get up to this trend line. Looks like 225, give or take. So if that's something you're interested in partaking in, it's not the worst trade in the world. 20-30% if it decides to get there. Could stall much sooner than that. Just depends on the market environment. Most coins move with the market, and so right now we're in this choppy downtrend. So a run like that, it's hard to have an expectation that it fully plays out. Just keep that in mind if you want to play something like that. And then Pepe. Pepe actually not the worst looking token. I guess even when something's pretty much garbage, it shows that sponsorship by traders means something. And pretty decent action here. Got a couple of wicks in the downside. One good one here, one good one yesterday. And now we're trying to curl up. We do have some higher highs in here, albeit not a dramatic higher high, but it's still there. And we could try to curl back up, but there's not a lot of coins that look like this. This is actually not bad. We did get to average volume yesterday. I like it. Undercut and rally here, undercut and rally here. Although just on this one, not on this one. It doesn't undercut this candle. So not bad. Those two coins actually maybe possibly tradable, but this market turns so fast. I would probably just wait for a different trade, wait for a little bit more what's the word I'm looking for here? Like confirmation across the market that we're going to make a move or two. This would be some good trading, also a little bit of luck involved. I'd rather the market be good than get lucky. All right, guys, that's all I got for you today on your best 5 minutes, on the best 5 minutes every day here at Altcoin Buzz Trading. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.